Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if ax plus 3 times bx plus 5 is equal to 35x squared plus kx plus 15 for all values of x, and a plus b is equal to 12, what are two possible values for k? So first what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to distribute this. So we have ax times bx is abx squared, plus 5 times ax is plus 5ax, plus 3 times bx is plus 3bx, plus 3 times 5 is 15. And this is equal to 35x squared plus kx plus 15. So for this to be true for all values of x, the x squared term has to be equal, these two x terms have to be equal to this one, and then 15 has to be equal to 15. Luckily that checks out, and we know that ab x squared is equal to 35x squared. We'll get to the x terms next. If we divide by x squared, these all cancel, and we know that ab is equal to 35. So sticking with whole numbers right now, what numbers multiply to 35? Well, if we do a prime factorization of 35, we just get 5 and 7. So for a and b to be equal to 35, it can be 1 and 35, right? Any number can be 1 in itself, and then 5 and 7. And these would be our values of a and b. We're told that a plus b is equal to 12, so 1 plus 35 is equal to 36, so that doesn't work. But 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, so we know a and b are 5 and 7. So, if 5a x plus 3bx is equal to kx, right? Again, all the x terms have to be equal for this to be true for all values of x. And we divide by x. We have 5a plus 3b is equal to k. We plug in 5 and 7 into this equation and solve for k. However, we don't know which one is 5 and which one is 7. So if a is 5 and b is 7, then k is equal to 5 times a, which is 5, plus 3 times 7. But if it's the other way around, then k is equal to 5 times 7 plus 3 times 5. And this is why we're giving two possible values of k in our answers. Because one is k is equal to 25 plus 21, which is 46. And the other k is equal to 5 times 7 is 35, plus 15 is equal to 50. So our two possible answers are 46 and 50, which lines up with A, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.